Housing Market 2024, Bank Rate. With mortgage rates and home prices both historically high and inventory tight, many prospective sellers and hopeful buyers are feeling nervous about today's housing market. As of July 2023, the median sale price for an existing home in the U.S. was a steep $406,700, the highest July price the National Association of Realtors, NAR, has ever recorded and just $7,000 short of the all-time record. Home prices, mortgage rates and inventory levels will all shape housing affordability in the coming year. Read on to learn what the experts predict for the 2024 housing market. What will happen to the housing market in 2024? A lot depends on what happens with mortgage interest rates. Rates roughly doubled in 2022, thanks in part to the Federal Reserve's war on inflation, and have stayed high since. While the Fed does not directly set mortgage rates, mortgage lenders take cues from them, and mortgage rates climbed in tandem with the Fed's long string of rate hikes. Rising productivity, coupled with tighter financial conditions and the slowdown in hiring and cooling nominal wage growth, are indications that the Federal Reserve's campaign against inflation might soon be over, says Orf Divangai, senior economist at Zillow. With inflation easing, many predict that mortgage rates will cool slightly next year, but buyers will continue feeling the squeeze. Key housing market stats. The median home sale price as of July 2023 was $406,700, up 1.9% from 1 year ago and the highest July median on record, per NAR data. The nation had a 3.3-month supply of housing inventory as of July, per NAR, which is low enough to be considered a seller's market. Home price growth rose by 1.2% in May 2023, marking the fourth consecutive month of home price increases, according to S&P CoreLogic's latest Case-Shiller Index. Bankrate's latest national survey of large lenders shows the average rate on a 30-year mortgage was 7.36% as of August 23, 2023. The U.S. inflation rate as of July 2023 was 3.2%, still a bit higher than the Fed's stated goal of 2%. Will housing sales decline? While home prices have certainly held firm this year, the volume of home sales has softened considerably. Existing home sales in July 2023 declined to an annual pace of 4.07 million homes, according to NAR data, which represents a 16.6% drop year over year. Lower mortgage rates would help spur home sales activity, which are expected to increase in 2024 compared to 2023, says Selma Hepp, chief economist at CoreLogic. Declines in mortgage rates will drive more sellers to trade their existing home and help add much-needed inventory to the market, leading to more transactions. Will housing inventory increase? Speaking of much-needed inventory, housing supply has been very low throughout 2023 thus far. The overall number of existing homes on the market for sale as of July sat at 1.11 million units, up slightly from the previous month but down nearly 15% from the same time last year. That figure represents only a 3.3-month supply, far short of the 5 to 6 months usually needed for a balanced market. Will home prices go down? Housing prices have been on fire lately, culminating in historic highs. July's median of $406,700 was the highest July median price NAR has ever recorded, and only the fourth time that a monthly median has ever exceeded $400,000. So will home prices drop in 2024? Probably not, says Yun. Home prices will rise around 3 to 4%, he predicts. Prices are intricately connected with housing inventory, as well, notes Zhao. That means that prices are unlikely to fall on a year-over-year basis, unless demand falters. Will 2024 be a buyer's or seller's market? There are more buyers than there are homes available, so each home that comes on the market becomes more of a hot commodity than it might if there were more options to choose from. Without a significant uptick in inventory, the seller's market seems unlikely to change next year. Home buyers will have to navigate the affordability challenges that stubbornly high prices present, says Yun. It will require careful negotiation to get a better price in 2024. Bottom line on the 2024 housing market. The combination of high mortgage rates, steep home prices and low inventory levels are lining up to make the 2024 housing market a challenging one for both buyers and sellers. But if rates cool in 2024, as some experts predict, then market activity should heat up in response. The complexities of the current conditions mean that, now more than ever, it's smart to lean on the guidance of an experienced local real estate agent.